Transform your kitchen routine with the Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender, the ultimate tool for making shakes, smoothies, and so much more. With 700 watts of peak blending power and stainless steel Ice Sabre blades, this blender is built to tackle it all, from creamy smoothies to icy frozen drinks. The patented wave action system takes blending to the next level by continuously pulling ingredients down toward the blades, ensuring an ultra-smooth, lump-free texture every single time. This blender isn't just powerful, it's incredibly versatile too. Featuring 12 blending functions, you can blend, puree, dice, chop, and even crush ice with ease. The intuitive control panel with just 5 simple buttons makes selecting the right setting effortless, whether you're prepping a protein shake or crafting a silky soup. The 40-ounce glass jar is perfect for multiple servings, and pouring is a breeze thanks to the thoughtfully designed spout that ensures no drips or spills. Hosting guests or just making a quick smoothie? You'll love the mess-free convenience this blender offers. And when the blending is done, cleanup is quick and easy. The glass jar, lid, and removable blades are all dishwasher safe, so you can spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your creations. With its sleek black design, the Hamilton Beach Power Elite Blender isn't just a high-performing appliance, it's also a stylish addition to your countertop. Ready to make your blending experience faster, smoother, and easier than ever? Bring home the Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender today and enjoy professional-level results with the press of a button.